Welcome to Verifone's Let's Go to the Whiteboard video series. My name is Nathan Gill. I'm the Vice President of Commerce Enablement at Verifone, and I'm here today to talk to you about how beacons work. Understanding how beacons work is as simple as understanding how a lighthouse works. In this example, we can see there's a lighthouse that emits a light signal. For thousands of years, sailors have relied on lighthouses emitting that light signal so they can understand how to navigate around the lighthouse. In this case, the lighthouse has no idea what ships may be around it. It knows that its only job is to emit a single light signal, which is then interpreted by sailors, determining whether they should navigate to port, to starboard, turn around, or perhaps do nothing at all. That is precisely how beacons work in the digital world. The only difference is that the physical lighthouse has been replaced with a digital beacon that looks like this, or like the thousands of other types of beacons that exist today. The advantage of today's beacon is that it's configurable, it costs very little, and it's powered on its own and uses very little energy. The beacons of today, which look like this, then communicate instead of with a sailor or a ship at sea with your mobile device. The principles are exactly the same though. The beacon emits a signal which is then picked up by your mobile device. This signal is configurable. The range can be set. It can be set to as small as a meter or as high as 450 meters if you're using a high-powered beacon device. Once your mobile device that has an application that you've opted in for comes within range of a beacon that's emitting a signal, it then determines what to do. And the way that your mobile device determines what it should do is by communicating with a server. So when a mobile device comes within range of a beacon, it notates that, it asks the server, I'm near this beacon, what should I do? The server then tells it to launch an app, to do nothing and perhaps just track the fact that this mobile device was in range of the beacon, or perhaps it can even trigger a payment type. All of this is configurable based on what the app developer has determined they want that mobile device to do once it comes within range of that beacon. The advantage of all of this is that it's energy efficient. For the first time now, every single mobile device that's shipped will be shipped with the ability to capture low Bluetooth energy signals. That's a huge, major step in innovation for the mobile industry, and it's one of the things that's fueling the proliferation of beacon technology. That creates a universal handset that can communicate with beacons no matter where in the world you are. The other advantage of beacons is the fact that they're secure. Because this communication between the beacon and the mobile device is not bidirectional, there's no data sharing that's occurring here. The only thing the beacon's doing is emitting a signal that's being picked up by the mobile device. The mobile device, through an application on your phone, is then determining with the application server what it should do next. All of these settings can be controlled by the consumer, making beacon technology secure and very much an opt-in technology. The final thing that makes beacon technology so great is it's incredibly inexpensive. Beacons can be acquired for literally under $1 and can be deployed in many different places throughout a store or an outdoor environment or anywhere that you may want them. Everybody has a mobile handset, and as I mentioned before, increasingly these mobile handsets are being shipped with Bluetooth technology that, unlike the days of old, doesn't eat your battery away. So we have everything we need for retailers to adopt beacon technology and start to deploy them at scale. Today, beacons influence $4 billion in annual spend. By next year, that figure is expected to increase to $44 billion, which is a huge number. Let's talk about some of the experiences and use cases that beacon technology can enable in the retail environment.